Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use tags on Instagram. First thing you want to do, let's launch the Instagram app. Then you want to head to the lower middle side of the screen and you want to hit the plus sign, okay? You hit the plus sign and let's select which post we're going to use. We're going to use this particular thumbnail over here. Very important, before we proceed, you can add music, just a pro tip, on the upper center of the screen by hitting the note sign over here. Right, very simple, easy. You can, on the lower side, you can add additional filters very quick. When you finish with all this, you can simply press next, right? And then you have the captions, all the informations, metadata, hashtags, right? Keep it simple. But the most important part is the following step, right? When you finish with all that, the first option that you will have underneath over here is to tag people, right? In our case over here, all you gotta do is to click, right? For example, let's click a brand because we simply have an iPhone over here, right? So we have Apple, and this is how you interact with the tags, right? You just created a special tag, which is for Apple. Then you can drag it all the way in the place you want. All the people or companies or profiles that you're tagging on your post will appear as a list underneath. Let me show you. Let's say you want to add somebody else. We click again, and let's say this time around we want to add Samsung, right? You click on Samsung, you put it on the opposite side or whatever you want it, right? And there you have it. Samsung just appeared in the list with tags. Now you probably wonder, what if I tag the wrong person or wrong account? All you gotta do is to go to the list of tags over here and click on the X sign. Now we're going to remove the Samsung, so I'm going to show you by hitting the X. There you have it. Samsung just disappeared. When you finish tagging accounts, right, you can simply click done on the top right corner. You can simply scroll down and the tags will simply appear into the other account that was tagged as a notification. Sometimes it's a message depending on the type of content. Is it a video or picture, the way you actually create the content and how you actually tag them. But this is how to use tags on Instagram. Very simple, very easy. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.